traffic accidents are down, and with them fatalities and injuries, thanks to the driver assistance systems that are becoming increasingly common on today's new cars. Today, many of the systems in the market offer basic standalone functionality, such as lane keeping or automatic braking, designed to intervene only in critical traffic situations. Increasingly, however, vehicle manufacturers are using the different sensors on board of the vehicle to provide more advanced assisted driving functions. A prime example is Highway Assist, a new assistance function which has been touted as the first step on the road to automated driving. Highway Assist combines adaptive cruise control with lane support and provides continuous assistance to the driver, maintaining a safe distance to the car ahead and keeping the car centered in the lane. To provide car buyers with more insight and to ensure the safe adoption of these systems by consumers, Euro NCAP has developed a unique set of test procedures based on two pillars: assistance competence, a balance between driver engagement and vehicle assistance, and the critical safety backup provided. In this latest series of tests, we have taken a closer look at 10 different cars offering highway assist systems. Each car has been subjected to common but critical highway scenarios, including approaching a slower moving vehicle, or someone cutting in, or out just in front. Steering support is tested in an S-bend manoeuvre, as well as the vehicle response to the driver avoiding an obstacle. The human-machine interface, which includes warnings and telltales, has been separately evaluated next to consumer information like marketing material and vehicle handbook information about the limitations of the systems. Finally, the car's critical crash avoidance performance was tested. The final verdict on each car is based on the combination of all results, focusing on the balance between driver engagement and vehicle assistance. The best systems offer a balance between the degree of assistance they provide and the extent to which the driver is kept engaged, and are supported by an effective safety backup. Assisted driving technologies such as Highway Assist offer enormous benefits when used appropriately. However, the driver needs to be responsible and engaged at all times behind the wheel.